Locate your MAF sensor, and it's right here on the air box. It's this 2-wire connector. Go ahead and unplug it, twist it towards the air box, and then pull it straight out. Might have to wiggle it a little bit. There it is. Clean out the hole before you put the new mass airflow sensor in. If it's dirty, try not to blow anything inside or get any debris in there. Take your new mass airflow sensor, has this little tab that has to be facing down to begin with, and then it'll turn and face the air box. So go ahead and line it up, press it down, and then turn it. It should lock in, and don't forget to connect it. Perfect.